Understanding the struggles of tinnitus sufferers and symptoms. It is hard to maintain a positive outlook on life when you are plagued by a constant ringing, hissing or chirping in your ears because of tinnitus. However, a lot of people don't understand that there are many techniques that tinnitus sufferers can use to minimize this noise. The video below has several tips and tricks to assist you in dealing with tinnitus. White noise apparatus can help. With the distraction of the white noise, you may be able to ignore your tinnitus and get some sleep. On the other hand, a number of individuals have actually found that their tinnitus worsens with white noise. The only way to tell how it will work for you is to try it for yourself. Stick to a strict sleep schedule. Routine is the best medicine for tinnitus sufferers. Get up in the morning and go to bed at night at the same time each day, including holidays and weekends. This may seem redundant, but it is the key to avoid lying in bed at night awake. To just live a life free of tinnitus, always have background noise available. Keep a television or music player on. Run a fan. Focus your hearing on the air conditioning or refrigerator running. Tinnitus is funny in the way that if you do not hear it, it is not really happening. Avoid alcohol, caffeine and tobacco if you are a sufferer of tinnitus. These substances are known to act as nerve stimulants. Tinnitus is often caused by overstimulated nerves sending a confused message to the brain, so adding to this is naturally something you should avoid. Removing these will also help your overall health, so there is no reason not to. Many sufferers of tinnitus find it helpful to reduce the stress in their lives. Stress releases chemicals into your body that cause stimulation to your nervous system. Reducing this in your daily life can lessen the symptoms you experience or eliminate it completely. Stress itself could even be the cause of your tinnitus. If the cause of your tinnitus is related to loud noise, it is important for you to wear either earplugs or earmuffs to protect your ears when you are in situations where there is loud noise. By utilizing these protective devices, you are proactively fighting the chance of serious damage being inflicted on your ears. As it was mentioned at the beginning of this video, clearly tinnitus can be a frustrating and annoying condition for many people to deal with. The advice that you have found in this video is only good if you put it to use. Apply the advice from the video above and you should find that coping with tinnitus becomes easier. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus. And what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.